Hello guys, welcome back to Short Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix can't access router IP address on your PC and how to fix this up. So first thing what you have to do is you have to go here in the search and you have to search for CMD and you have to go for run as administrator and go for yes. And now you have to give IP config. You have to go for IP config and you have to press enter. You have to go for IP config. Press enter. So now the IP addresses default gateway is the IP address of yours, and this is the first thing what you have to check out. And moving on to the next solution is all about you have to change the Explorer, which means the browser. So as you can see that on the PC which I'm using right now, mine is Chrome. So you can also use parallelly something, for example in an Explorer or something you can use this up, or else you can go for Mozilla, or you can try out any one of these, which is the second step. And moving on to the next one is all about try restarting your modem. So you can try restart your modem, which will be getting you fix the issue up. And also if it's not working, you can make the modem to factory reset. So to do this you just have to press and hold for 10 seconds the red button on your modem, or a hold button will be there in the modems on the back. You have to go for it, and that will be like a what we have to say, it's like a factory reset. So that will be help you guys to fix the issue up. If the third solution is not working, then you have to go for the next one, which is you have to press Windows and R key all together to get the run command. And now from here you have to go for ncpa.cpl. You have to press OK. And now from here you have to select this, which is have been connected to the Wi-Fi, and go for properties. And now from here you have to go for config, and now as you can see that it has been connected to this. And now from here internet protocol service you have to go for properties, and from here you have to go for use the following DNS server, and you have to go for OK, and you have to go for this and go for advanced. Also in some cases it's not working, so you just have to go for OK, and you have to try out. Most probably these are some of the possible workarounds that you can try out to fix can't access router IP address on your PC and how to fix this up. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.